Tired of writing clunky Python code for data manipulation? List comprehensions can revolutionize your workflow. Imagine condensing multiple lines of code into a single readable line. In Python, list comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists from existing lists or other iterables by applying transformations or filters. As noted by Guido van Rossum, creator of Python, list comprehensions are a powerful feature for simplifying code. For instance, if you have a list of numbers and want to square each number, a list comprehension would look like x2 for x in numbers. This is equivalent to a for loop, but much more compact. You could also add conditions to filter elements, x2 for x in numbers if x over 5. Real-world applications include data cleaning, where you might want to extract specific information from a dataset. Mastering list comprehensions will make your code more efficient and Pythonic. According to a 2020 survey by the Python Software Foundation, 85% of Python developers use list comprehensions daily. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Start simplifying your code today and take your Python skills to the next level.